Hello everybody! Welcome and welcome back to my crochet creative studio. Outside it's a lovely sunny day, and in the afternoon it's a perfect time for wearing the t-shirts and shorts and skirt. But in the morning it's quite chilly already, and the fall is just behind the corner. And with the fall I really enjoy crocheting the pumpkins. And what about you? For today I prepared a video tutorial which I called my first pumpkin. Actually, yeah, this is the first pumpkin I crocheted this year, but it's the very easy tutorial for everybody, for absolute beginners who would like to start with crocheting and to train the single crochet stitches. So I prepared a video tutorial how to crochet these cute mini pumpkins. You can use any scrappy yarn you like. I used the cotton yarn which I love to use for amigurumi crocheting, but if you have any scrappy yarn, acrylic, cotton or mix, it's anything is perfect. And just choose the proper crochet hook and let's get started. It's super easy. You will make a rectangle, working in rows back and forth, changing the colors after 2 rows, and working in back loops only, and that's it. So guys, this is very quick tutorial and I hope you will enjoy it. If you will like it, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's enjoy the first pumpkin crocheting. So you can use any yarn you like. I love to use my scrappy yarns, usually the cotton yarns which I use for amigurumi toys. You will need a proper crochet hook. I will work with crochet hook 3mm, a pair of scissors and sewing needle. We will start with a foundation chain. So make a slip knot and then make a chain. In this my video tutorial I will crochet 15 chains to make a mini cute pumpkin, but of course you can make more chains to have the pumpkin bigger. Then chain 1 and make a single crochet in the second chain from your crochet hook, and then a single crochet in each chain. In the first row you will have 15 single crochet stitches. Perfect. So 15 single crochet stitches, and don't finish the last single crochet. You will finish with 2 loops on your crochet hook, then grab a new color and pull yarn through both loops on your hook. Perfect. This is how you can easily change the color. Then make a chain, turn your work and make a single crochet in the first single crochet. I don't count chain 1 at the beginning as a stitch. So this is the first single crochet. The second one will be made in the back loop only, and also the next 13 single crochet stitches along the row. Make a single crochet into each single crochet in back loop only. It will create a nice ribbed pattern which is perfect for pumpkins. So I will meet you at the end of the row. We will finish with 15 single crochet stitches. Here we are. Then chain 1, and I don't count chain 1 as a stitch. Turn your work and let's make single crochet, a classic single crochet at the beginning into the first stitch, and then make single crochet back loop only in each single crochet. So single crochet back loop only, and I will meet you at the end of the row and we will change the color again. So this is my last stitch. Let's make a classic single crochet. Don't finish this stitch. Grab a brown yarn and pull this yarn through both loops on your crochet hook to finish the single crochet. Then chain 1 and turn your work and make a single crochet into the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each stitch, back loop only. So as you can see, I will change the color after 2 rows. So 1 color is made with 2 rows, and you can make as many rows as you wish. If you want to have the pumpkin wider, make more rows. If you want to have it taller and narrower, make less rows and more stitches in the row. I have this shape, and I started with 1 row with the yellow color and finish with 1 row of this yellow color, and then you will join the sides together. Let's look at this sample. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 white stripes, 8 brown stripes, and 1 and 1 at the beginning and at the end. Perfect. So now let's join the sides together. Okay, I will finish the last single crochet with the tail, which I will use for sewing. So I would recommend you to start with a longer tail at the beginning, which you can use for sewing the sides. You can sew the sides or use slip stitches to join stitch to stitch. Okay, so it's easy, just join the last stitch in the row with the chain you created at the beginning and join stitch to stitch. So I will join the sides with slip stitches, and I will have 15 slip stitches in the row. Perfect. I will meet you at the end of the row, and I will show you how to finish the body of this pumpkin. So you can cut the yarn and make a knot or 2 knots. And use the longer tail for sewing the bottom and the top of the pumpkin. And look at the seam, it's absolutely seamless. invisible seam on the body of the pumpkin, which is perfect. So you can cut the yellow yarn as well and make the knot or 2 knots. And now let's sew the top of the pumpkin. So pull the yarn through each stitch at the end of the row. Like this. Keep yarn, then you can tie the end as much as you can to close the hole and sew the top of the pumpkin or the bottom, because the shape is the same. Okay, so the top, we are working on the wrong side, so now this is the right side. Okay, I will sew the top of the pumpkin as well. The same method. Pull the yarn through the stitches, the last stitches in the row, up and down. Then put the stuffing in the body of the pumpkin and finish the top. Again, tight the end. You can put more stuffing before you close the top. Amazing. This is it. So close the hole. And if you want, you can put the stem on the top of the pumpkin. And it's again super easy. Make a slip knot and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turning chain, so chain 1, and make a single crochet in the second chain from your crochet hook, and then single crochet in each chain. So you will have 5 single crochet stitches along the side. There are so many methods how you can make the stem. This is the easiest one because this pattern is for absolutely beginners. So then cut the yarn and make a knot, and you will use the tail for sewing the stem on the top of the pumpkin. So attach the stem, and we are almost done. Fasten off all ends, and I will do the final measurement at the end of my video tutorial, and I will also show you my others pumpkins, okay? So this is the cute mini pumpkin. You can use it as a decoration or auntie's dress ball or as a keychain. It's so cute. I love it. So let's measure the size. Of course you can make the pumpkin bigger. So the width is 7 centimeters, the length 4.5 centimeters. This measurement is 8 centimeters, and the circumference is 18 centimeters, and the stem measures 2.5 centimeters. So guys, this is the end of my video tutorial. I would like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like it, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. And now let's look at my pumpkins. They are really cute. I love this orange one. So this is the end. I would like to wish you very happy crocheting. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.